right, so for Tuesday, we're going to do the same thing with our sentence. We're going to look at our sentence types. So the first thing you need to figure out is our simple and complete subject. So to make this easy for you, complete subject is who or what our sentence is about. And it's normally, for this sentence, it's going to be our who. This is normally at the beginning of our sentence. And then the simple subject is what the main thing that it is about. So for this sentence, your answer for number 1 and 2 should be the same exact letter. Okay? Then moving on, we need to look for our complete predicate and our simple predicate. So for a complete predicate, it's everything except for a subject. So it's our verb and to the rest of our sentence. And then our simple predicate is always going to be our verb. So if you look at your Mondays and you decided what your verb was, use that to help you. That is our simple predicate, that's our verb. Then you figure out, is that simple predicate, is that verb transitive or intransitive? Well, transitive means it's an action, intransitive is not an action. So think to yourself, can I do that verb? And if you can, it's going to be transitive. If it's not, it's going to be intransitive. Next, you need to figure out our direct objects. Direct objects can only happen if you have an action verb in your sentence. If you do not have an action verb, you can write none. However, if you do have an action verb, you need to figure out what our direct objects are. And you ask the question, what or for whom? So you say, I took what? And if you can answer that, that is your direct object. I took what? There's your answer. That's your direct object. Your prepositional phrase, you have to have a preposition. If you do not have a preposition, you do not have a prepositional phrase. Um, and if you have an object of the preposition, that is the noun in your prepositional phrase. So use your Monday to figure out if you have that position word. Remember, the squirrel ran through the tree. You fill in that blank. The squirrel ran in the tree. You fill in that blank. Through, in, on, above. Those are all our location words. And then that would be the first noun in your sentence as your object of your preposition. Good luck.